A very good morning to you, Scholarites. Today we will study about what is motion and what are its types. This is the topic motion is from your lesson number 13, measurement and motion. So come to the motion. What is motion? When an object changes its place from A point to the B point is known as motion. Or you can also say when the object changes its position with respect to time is known as motion. Okay, now what are its types? Look, these are the 7 main types of motion. First is rectilinear motion. Second is rotational motion. Third is circular motion. Fourth is oscillatory motion. Fifth is vibrational motion. Sixth is periodic motion. And the last and seventh one is random motion. Come to the first type of motion, that is known as rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear? From the name it is showing that when an object moves in a linear position means straight line. When any object moves in a linear position or on the straight path is known as rectilinear motion. Okay, what are the example of rectilinear motion? Like you have seen a car moving in a straight line on the road, right? Motion of a striker in a carom board also. You have played a carom board game. Okay, the next example is movement of a drawer of a table. Have you seen the movement of drawer of your cupboard or any table? It's always a straight. That is a rectilinear motion. Now come to the second, that is known as rotational motion. Rotational motion, when an object moves in a rotatory position. Rotatory position means a body is said to be in rotatory motion if it moves about a fixed axis without changing its position. Okay, that's why it is written along a fixed axis. What are the examples of rotational motion? Blades of fan, wheel of swing machine. Okay, have you seen the spinning wheel of bullock cart? That is also rotational motion. Then the next example is spinning of a top. You have played a top, how you spin that and moves around like a rotational motion. The third one is circular motion. Circular motion, when any body or any object travels along a circular path or move along a circular path is known as circular motion. Okay, when earth moves around the sun, that is also a circular motion. When the move revolves around the earth, that also travels in a circular motion. Okay, and you have seen the wall clocks or any clock, the hands of a clock, how it moves anti-clockwise and clockwise, that is also follows circular motion. The next is oscillatory motion. Here the whole body moves. Okay, here an object moves to and fro about its mean position is known as oscillatory motion. What are the example? You have play in the playground. You have played a swing that follows the oscillatory motion. You have seen the pendulum of clock that also follows the oscillatory motion. Piston of a car you have seen, that also follows the oscillatory motion. Now come to the next type of motion, that is a vibrational motion. What is vibrational motion? Here some part of body remains fixed, means the part of a body always remain fixed and do not move, while the rest of the body moves to and fro in a definite pattern. That is known as vibratory motion. What are the example of vibratory motion? Your phone that vibrates, right? You have seen how it vibrates, but it doesn't changes its place too much. Okay, it follows a definite path. Then your vibration of drum while assembly, you used to beat a drum, that also follows this vibratory motion. The stretching of rubber band and you touch the rubber band, it also vibrates. That is also when you play a guitar, then also it is known as a vibrational motion. Now come to the second last type of motion, periodic motion. The what is periodic motion now? A motion that repeats itself after regular interval of time is known as periodic motion. You comes to the school and your periods 1 to 8 period follows, that is also known as period wise, that is that follows the periodic motion. Okay, pendulum of clock, that is also periodic motion. Needle of a swing, moon when revolve around the sun, that is according to the definite period, that is known as periodic motion. Now the last motion is random motion. Random motion is that type of motion where the object can move left, right, up, down, having no direction. It can move randomly. It's having no definite position or any definite direction. That is random motion. Like you play football, it is not definite that the ball will travel in a straight path. It can go left, right, up, down. It can go to and fro, right? That is a random motion which we have no idea where it will move. Thank you.